Hi friends, very good morning all of you. Welcome back. My name is Pavan Kumar. I am a chartered accountant in practice and also a qualified cost accountant. So in the channel, I have done a couple of videos on stock markets. I disclaimed and I clearly explicitly told that I am not investment banker. I am not into any kind of advisory. I am not a consultant. And if you ask me, I have 1 crore rupees or I have 1 lakh rupees, how that can be invested? I am not a certified financial planner also. Now you might ask, then in what capacity I am making this video? Point number one, I am a chartered accountant. Point number two, I have done diploma courses in stock markets. Point number three, I lost enough money in stock market to understand its depth. And for the last 1.5 decade, I am into this as both a qualified CA. I am into teaching finance for students who study chartered accountancy courses, and also as an investor, I have real-time experience. So I am into both, equity. I am into derivatives. I do, this future contracts, options, etc. And also I do a lot of mutual funds. So I am not saying that I understand 100% of stock market or I am an expert, but with all the confidence I can say I am better than a layman when it comes to understanding stock markets. That is the reason to help all my friends and the next generation who started earning money just now, to give certain ideas and not to commit any mistakes what our generation people have done. So maybe 20 years back we started earning money, 15 years back we started earning money. We do not know much of the investment avenues. So we saved some money, we accumulated wealth, we lost some money. There were mistakes, there were costly mistakes, there were lessons. So with all the experience, I just want to guide the next generation. And if you remember, in the last video also I told you, in India, stock market is still in 2020 December ending. In another 3 days, we are going to end this 2020. Even today, you speak anything about stock market, more than half of the people in India say it is gambling. So even I am very sure, you ask your dad, you ask your mom, that mom, I have 1 lakh rupees, I want to invest in stock market. They say, pagal ho gaya kya? Have you lost it? So still it is betting, it is gambling. Why? Because we do not have enough knowledge about it. And with lot of greed, if you invest money, you cannot make money. Remember one thing, tiny drops accumulate oceans, tiny drops of water. So you should be really smart enough and you should have control on your emotions. Like, 5 rupees profit aaya to bech dunga, 10 rupees loss aaya to I'll book the loss. So these kind of people are who do a lot of intraday, who do a lot of derivatives. It is very risk for them, and there were very few examples of these kind of people who made money. You look at any person in the history, even consider Warren Buffett, consider Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. These are long-term investors. They do not speculate, they do not bet. It is not like playing rummy game for them. No, never. Fundamentally, technically, they analyze a script, they analyze the industry, they analyze the economy, they understand the company, they do internal analysis, they do external analysis, they do fundamental analysis, they do technical analysis, they understand the numbers and then they invest. So if you look at the kind of investments Warren Buffett has done, not today, maybe 3 decades back, 4 decades back, the companies he invested money, Cadbury's, Coke, these kind of companies have given tremendous results to them. And even if you see Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, who is considered to be Indian Warren Buffett with 15,000 crore rupees of wealth, he is also incidentally a chartered accountant, started his career in 1980s, long time back. He picked companies like Titan in Tata Group. There is a company called Titan. You remember Titan watch and all, Fast Track, Titan. So this company, he invested money when the share was issued for 3 rupees. Today it is 1,350 rupees. Now imagine that guy has not one share. If one share is there, 3 rupees will become 1,300 rupees. He has crores of shares. OMG. So you have to identify a winning horse. Even then, don't bet on the winning horse. Travel with the winning horse. So this is my funda. So today in this session, I am going to explain a very interesting topic, very interesting topic, or rather you can say you'll be astonishing at the end of the day. It is a mental assault, your eyes will open wide. So Get ready for the magic. Now the topic is, imagine you have 1 lakh rupees. You have 1 lakh rupees. What will you do? I'm not speaking about you spending money. Now don't say, Pavan sir, I'll purchase the shirts and pants better. I'm not speaking about spending money. I'm speaking about only investments. If you want to enjoy, if you want to fly to Dubai or Bangkok, that is a different story. I'm not speaking about you. You go enjoy, exhaust your money and come back. That is a different story. But if you want to invest, what will you do? Traditionally, 80% of Indians will invest money in certain conservative, risk-free, traditional investment avenues. The first one being fixed deposit. Second one is life insurance. Isn't it? And few people invest money in post office saving schemes also. Monthly income schemes are there. MIS they call. Pension schemes are there. PPF are there. And ELSS, equity linked saving schemes are there. So basically all these things revolve around tax planning. So if you are an individual, if you are employed, there are very few areas where you can pay tax. I feel so bad for employees. You do not have any way of escaping from tax, okay? So that is the reason probably in India, salaried employees are the only people who are making taxes properly, because already TDS will be deducted and only net amount will come to you. You cannot claim any kind of refund also. Isn't it? Maybe that is the reason you are forced by the system to put your money in this traditional LIC kind of things. Isn't it? Now today, let me tell you, if you invest money in a fixed deposit, how much you will earn if you invest money not in stock market, because stock market is too risky. If you do not know how to ride the horse, it will kill you. I'm not speaking about direct equity investment. I'm speaking about mutual fund. Mutual funds obviously are less riskier than stock market direct equity. So let me show this to you. Ta-da! Okay, so this is FD calculator. You can open Google and type fixed deposit calculator. You will get 100 websites or maybe 1000 websites. So I have opened one random website. So let me show you this fixed deposit amount, rate of interest and all. So what is the amount? Hypothetically, we are speaking about 1 lakh. So 5 zeros, 1 lakh rupees. What is the rate of interest? Today fixed deposit rate of interest have drastically come down in the last 2 to 3 years. It is just like 4% now. Not more than 5%, 4%, 5%, and maybe 3.75, 4.75, 5.25. So on an average, approx I'm taking 4%. And one secret I'll tell you, on this interest, TDS will be there. Okay, so you will not get 4% also. That's a different story. So how long do you save? Hypothetically, let us imagine 10 years. Now, Dingutaka ji, what will be my wealth? Tuck, 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 tuck. Wait, not a reality show. Don't worry about it. Okay. So 1 lakh rupees is the amount you invested. 49,083 rupees you earned for 10 years. Now you'll ask, what? 4% beta on 1 lakh, 4% is 4,000 only, no? Take calculator, 1 lakh into 4%, will you get 4.5 crores? No, you'll get 4,000. So if you invest 1 lakh rupees for 10 years in a bank's fixed deposit, 1,49,083 rupees will be the maturity value, in which 1 lakh is principal and 49,000 is interest. And star mark. What is the star mark? If you are in tax slab, if Income Tax Act provisions are applicable, then they will deduct on interest also 10%. You understand? So this is a situation where if you invest money in FD. Now I'll tell you. There are two kinds of people. Some are wise, some are otherwise. So which wise you are? You are that side or you are this side? Dekhenge. So imagine if I invest the same money in a mutual fund. Again, open Google, ask Google, show me mutual fund maturity amount calculator. Mutual fund maturity amount calculator. Any random site you can open. So here, nature of investment. There are two types of investments in mutual funds. One is called lump sum one-time investment, and the second one is called SIP, systematic investment plan. So because FD, we are speaking about FD, no, one-time investment. If you are speaking about RD, every month I save 5,000, then you should compare it with SIP. Every month you put RD, every month you put SIP. FD is lump sum, Here also we have to compare with lump sum only. So one-time investment I have chosen. I am not choosing systematic investment plan. This we'll see in the next session. Now one-time investment, what is the amount? 1 lakh. What is the expected rate of return? The expected rate of return in mutual funds can go up to 60 to 70% also. You do not believe? I will show you my own portfolio where I earned 60 to 70% in some of the scripts. I am not saying every mutual fund will give you that. There could be losses also, but I tell you, if you are losing money in mutual fund, you are a museum piece. Okay, I can take you and put in museum. That difficult it is to lose money in mutual funds. If you have little common sense, you can avoid losses in mutual fund and you can create wealth like anything. So there is a saying, okay, someone said, I think a very famous celebrity said, I don't know whether it is Kapil Sibal or someone, or Ramjet Malani, some person of that stature said, it is very difficult to pass CA and it is very difficult to fail LLB. Okay, same thing I tell you, it is very difficult to earn money in equity market. It is very difficult to lose money in mutual funds. So what I mean to say is, this is a safer bet. You don't need to feel that it is too risky. Mutual funds are far safer than investing money directly into equity markets. Okay, so expected rate of return 20. Now for those who doubt, Pavan, is it possible for me to earn 20%? Hold on, my dear friend, I'll show you. Then what is the duration of investment? There I have taken 10 years. Here also I have to take 10 years only. Then my maturity value is 619174. That means in this 1 lakh rupees is your original amount. 5,19,174, approx 5,20,000 is your return on investment. There how much you got? 50,000. Here how much you got? 5,20,000, which is more than 10%. Now one maths chambu will be there. He will ask, hello, here 4%, here 20%, 4%, 20%, 5 times only. No, how come 10 times? Beta, there is something called compounding also. You remember, money multiplies. So here you calculate P into 1 plus R whole power n. No, if you are a mathematics guy, I'll also speak maths. So it's not going to be simple interest calculation. It is going to be compound interest calculation. So because of that, 4% becoming 20% is not 5 times, my dear friend. It is more than 10 times. Nice, no? So 5,20,000 will be your return. Okay, isn't it surprising? Now some people will ask, is it possible to earn 20% in mutual funds? Now here if you observe, I have taken from internet what are the top performing mutual funds. There are so many types of mutual funds. There are small cap, mid cap, multi cap, large cap. There are diversified funds. There are balanced funds. There are tax savings funds. There are debt funds, equity funds, there are money market funds, there are, pharma based funds, there are sector based funds, there are nifty based funds. So there are so many types of mutual funds. Okay, let us not complicate the topic. I have, typed what are the best performing mutual funds. You can take any category. Here left side, can you see top tax saver fund, ELSS, multi-cap fund, best index fund, mutual funds for beginners, all these things. Anything you select. You select anything. You don't want multi-cap fund, Pavan, I don't want multi-cap fund. Go to index fund. Pavan, I don't want index fund. Go to ELSS fund. Choose anything, doesn't matter. Now, look at the scheme's quant tax plan. You are getting 21%. You are getting 21%. Now you will say, no, that could be very risky. Seriously? No. Why? Because see the ranking, my dear friend, it is 5-star. 5-star ranking means the lowest risk. There will be 5 stars, okay? So if it is 5-star, very less risk. And see the second one, Mirae Asset Tax Fund, 5-star, 20%, 19.2%. Then Canara Robeco, 17.4%, 5-star. So like this, what I do, personally in my life, what I do, I'll not put all money in tax saver fund. I'll put some money in multi-cap, some in large cap, some in small cap. Take my word today, whether you understand my language or no, wouldn't matter. Doesn't matter. Take my word, next 3 years, it is going to be the game of small and medium funds. Because in the last 4 years, small cap funds have fallen by 70%. So when the turnaround happens, when the curve, takes a U, it is going to be the game of small cap funds, I'm telling you. So you look at small cap funds, you look at tax planning funds, and the beauty is you don't need to pay tax also here. And look here, your money is going to be doubled in how many years, how many months? 3 years, 11 months. 3 years, 11 months. So if you invest money in a fixed deposit, 15 years it will take for your money to be doubled. If you put in a proper mutual fund, 3 years to 4 years. In between 3 to 4, you will get double the money. Do you think it is magic? No. Do you think it is gambling? No. This is, my dear friend, called wealth creation. It is called wealth creation. You understand? So think smart, think wise. If you put 1 lakh rupees in a nationalized bank's fixed deposit, you will get 4%. 10 years, you will get 50,000 rupees of return on investment. The same money if you put in a mutual fund. See, instead of putting FD in State Bank of India, you put in SBI mutual fund only. If you say no, these kind of mutual funds and all, I do not believe these people. You believe State Bank of India. If State Bank of India turns the board, Indian economy is bankrupt. That's strong State Bank of India is. I have conducted audits, okay. State Bank of India, I have conducted audit. State Bank of India is in a way stronger than RBI. RBI is a regulatory authority, it is not a bank. But still I am telling you, when it comes to the level of influence, you cannot even imagine what is State Bank of India. So instead of putting in SBI FD, you put in SBI mutual fund only. Instead of putting in HDFC FD, put in HDFC mutual fund only. Instead of putting in ICICI Bank FD, put in ICICI Bank mutual fund only. You understand? You can earn 10 times more. Simple. Remember one rule. If you fold your currency and keep it in your pocket, after 100 years also your 100 rupees will be 100 rupees only. But if you invest this 100 rupees in an investment avenue where you understand the risks and returns, risk is less, returns are high, you can accumulate crores of rupees, underline crores of rupees. So think smart, think wise, learn about mutual funds, learn about stock markets, and learn how to earn money. Because when I started this series of financial literacy, what did I say? To earn money in stock market, first you should learn. Without learning, if you invest money, you will not have money to buy Bernal to apply to your burnt hands also. Complete tonsurement. Like you went to Tirumal Tirupati, completely done, tonsured, complete shape. Like that you will lose money. So stock market is a place, I tell you, where you can earn abundance of money. You can lose everything before you count. Before you count how much you earned, money will go. If you are doing a risky game, at the same time, if you know the rules of the game, if you know the risks and returns of the game, my dear friend, you will not lose 1 rupee also, and you accumulate wealth. So you will be next Warren Buffett. Now you will ask how much you have earned. Don't worry, I am in the process. Okay, I am also doing the same thing. Okay, trust me, it is exciting, astonishing, surprising, and you will earn a lot of money. Okay, so start learning about stock markets. I'll continue these financial literacy videos. So this is my second or third video in the channel. Keep watching for more, and hold on. My next topic will be within 3-4 days. I will come with another video. My next topic will be how to earn 1 crore rupees. I'll tell you the secret. Okay, thanks for watching. Good luck.